in their rearview mirror. Bottom one, the Braves are down one already. 2 outs. Runners on the corner for Adam Duvall, and everybody can come home. 32nd home run. Duvall's 97th RBI. Actually, 95, 96, 97. The most in the National League. Braves lead 3-1. Now 5-2. 2 outs. Runners on the corner. Hernandez off Matzik. His 8th ties the game at 5. So who are you going to call? Well, how about Ozzie Albies? Because he's got a home run in 3 straight games. So the bottom of the 7th with no outs and a runner on first. Who else would you want up? Well, Albies, you would. Off Ryan Harper, who was originally drafted by the Braves in 2011, wishes he was anywhere else but Atlanta right now. Atlanta wins this one 8-5. They're 13-4 against the Nationals this season, 24-24 against the rest of the NL East.
Phillies, Brew Crew, and as good as the Brewers have been, especially as of late, the Phillies lead the season series 5-0. Eduardo Escobar, like, I'm going to change that number to a 5-1. That one got a little bounce to it, bounces into the stands. Brewers lead 2-0. Then you got Yelly next up. He'll drive that ball just a shot up the middle. Escobar heading home. Throw. Gets away from Rafael Marchand, and Escobar safe. 3-0, 7th inning, and that's Avisail Garcia. See ya! Cam Bedrosian, it's like, yeah, I'd like that one back, please. Garcia's 25th of the season. The Brewers win 10-0. They lost 12-0 on Monday, so nice to get back in place.
All right, the Mets chasing what was once theirs. New York at Miami. Top one, no score. Pete Alonso with a runner on. Off Edward Cabrera. Bartender. Jack. 100th career home run in his 347th game. That's second fewest games in MLB history to reach 100 home run. Ryan Howard, Pete Alonso, Gary Sanchez, Aaron Judge. Mets up 2-0. That's a lot of information right there. All right, Mets up 8-4. Alonso. Bartender. Give me another one of those jacks. That one off Taylor Williams. Steve Cohen is tweeting. 31-32 for Alonso on the season, and the Mets win it 9-4. The Mets have now won 8 of their last 10 and are 4 games behind the Phillies for second in the NL East standings. The Braves' win over the Phillies gave them a game cushion for the division lead. They're now 2.5 games up.
Pressure is privilege. I'm privileged that this organization, they believe in me. They put their faith in me. This is the right fit. And never in a million years did I imagine not being a Cowboy once I put on this uniform and put on this star. This is my home. I'm not leaving. I'm a Cowboy. This is only the beginning.
It will be 333 days since Dak Prescott last played an NFL game when he takes the field on Thursday night against Tampa Bay. What a road it's been. The Dallas quarterback has been through the unimaginable. The loss of his brother, a mental health battle, an incredible start to a season only to be derailed by a gruesome season-ending injury in Week 5. Dak has suffered emotional and physical pain and says now he's stronger than he's ever been. We're going to see that strength on display on Thursday night.
That looks like he never left. He leading the team, leading the offense. I mean, he's just, he's literally a coach on the field, the same as a player. He does what he's supposed to do. We respect him for it. He's just a general. He hasn't missed a beat. So, looking forward to having him out there with us. We ain't seen him in so long. You ain't get to, catch any passes from him in so long. It definitely felt way longer than it was. It wasn't a good feeling at all. But, he's back now. He's doing what he's supposed to do, and we're all doing, everything we can to make sure that he looks good out there.
Prior to his injury last season, Dak Prescott put together one of the best stretches by a quarterback in league history. He threw for nearly 1,700 yards in the first 4 games of the 2020 season, the most over any 4-game span in NFL history. That includes throwing for at least 450 yards in 3 straight games from weeks 2 to 4. Now, Caesars Sportsbook released player prop bets for the opener between the Bucs and the Cowboys. Neil, I'm not like, I can't give advice when it comes to this stuff, but I want your advice, and I want you to tell everybody at home what you think about this, okay? Dak Prescott, over or under 1.5 passing touchdowns on Thursday?
Well, that should be an over, it looks like. So I'll definitely take the under on that because you've got to go opposite of the way they want you to go. That's your first lesson.
The great thing is that you don't have Twitter, so anyone that you lead astray, you can't really hear from them.
Just yell at me through Ashley. Okay?
No, don't do that. All right, Tom Brady, over under 301.5 passing yards, over under.
Okay, because it's the first game, that should probably be an under. So therefore, we're taking the over.
Okay, total points scored.
Vince in research, he gets it.
51.5 total points, over under.
Well, you know, the first game, so that seems like a lot of points, right?
Totally.
Yeah, so you should take the under, which means we're taking the over.
Oh, okay. Good luck, everybody.
That is absolutely filthy. Oh, he puts it down. Oh, razzle dazzle. Next level. And a football throws it down.
SportsCenter Top 10